Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the essential assets and tools so you can begin immediately. Install the Mesh Capture plugin or app and verify it supports Smile blend shapes. This avoids wasted effort later. Capture or select high-resolution front and three-quarter photos and mark eye, nose, and mouth anchors. Once done, import your neutral base mesh and align the camera view. These steps ensure consistent topology and correct landmark mapping, which makes the next automated fitting and deformation more accurate. Now you fit the mesh to the smiling pose by combining automated steps with manual refinement. Run landmark detection and adjust about 20 to 40 points because accurate anchors drive natural deformation. Apply a smile morph or blend shape and gradually increase intensity while watching teeth and lip intersections. This prevents clipping. Once the basic pose matches, relax problematic vertices and preserve edge loops around the mouth to keep animation-friendly topology. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert if an adjustment breaks facial symmetry. Finish by baking blend shapes and normal maps, then export the mesh in the format your pipeline expects, typically FBX or OBJ with skin weights preserved. You should load the model into your target engine or app and test the smile morph at several amplitudes to confirm vertex order and blend shape naming match. If you see artifacts like tearing or texture seams, reproject the high-resolution texture and rerun landmark refinement. Often a single misplaced anchor or flipped normal causes most issues, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.